This isn't just any classic car, it's a pristine 1976 Plymouth Volare with a legendary 318 V8, all original style, and a presence that stops traffic wherever it goes. You're about to see a true Mopar masterpiece like never before. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into a true time capsule from the mid-1970s, a car that blends classic American muscle with understated elegance. Feast your eyes on this 1976 Plymouth Volare, a pristine example that proves the golden age of Mopar was as much about comfort and style as it was about raw power. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss a second of this journey. Now, at first glance, the Volare might not scream muscle car like a Charger or a Barracuda, but there's a quiet sophistication here that only true enthusiasts can appreciate. This car wears its stock appearance like a badge of honor, staying true to the era while offering all the subtle cues that make collectors' hearts race. Every line, every panel, every detail has been preserved or restored with an almost obsessive level of care. Step up close and you'll immediately notice the 15-inch American racing wheels, perfectly complementing the Volare's classic stance. They hint at performance without screaming for attention, a nod to the car's balanced personality. And those wheels aren't just for show. The factory-style suspension keeps this car poised and stable, whether you're cruising the boulevard or navigating city streets. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary 318 V8 engine, a small block Mopar powerhouse that's surprisingly lively. This engine was the heart of countless Plymouths in the mid-70s, and it's easy to see why. Smooth, reliable, and brimming with vintage character, it pairs perfectly with the 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering a driving experience that's both effortless and engaging. You don't need to be a gearhead to enjoy it. The Volare was designed for drivers of all levels, giving you classic V8 power with an incredibly approachable personality. And let's talk about the feel behind the wheel. Slip into the driver's seat and you're greeted by a vinyl interior with classic design, complete with clear gauges and the original steering wheel. There's something incredibly satisfying about running your hands over a wheel that's seen decades of history yet still feels perfectly balanced in your grip. The layout is clean, intuitive, and unapologetically 1970s, offering the driver everything they need without the distraction of modern technology. The power front disc brakes and power steering make a world of difference here. At first, you might expect a car of this vintage to feel heavy or unresponsive, but this Volare surprises you. The brakes bite just when you need them, and the steering responds with precision. It's a car that rewards confidence, yet it's forgiving enough that you can enjoy it casually too. Step into the passenger side and the cabin reveals more of its charm. The fully carpeted trunk, often overlooked in classics, is immaculate, demonstrating just how carefully this car has been preserved. Whether you're showing it at a local car meet or simply taking it out for a weekend cruise, every detail reinforces that sense of quality. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of authenticity and care. Visually, the Volare carries itself with quiet pride. The lines are clean, the panels smooth, and the paint, though modest, has a depth and richness that only years of meticulous maintenance can achieve. There's a balance here, enough flash to turn heads, but restrained enough to let true enthusiasts recognize the car's integrity. This is the kind of vehicle that rewards close inspection. Look at the way the sunlight catches the edges of the fenders, highlighting subtle curves that were ahead of their time. The body has been preserved beautifully, with no need for oversized spoilers or modern gimmicks. This is Mopar purity at its finest. One of the most captivating aspects of a car like this is how it connects you to the era it came from. Adam, imagine cruising down a tree-lined boulevard in 1976, the roar of the 318 V8, the satisfying thump of the automatic transmission, the smell of classic vinyl interiors, and the sense of occasion every time you slip into the driver's seat. It's not just a car, it's a portal to a time when driving was as much about experience as it was about destination. And while the Volare was a family-friendly car for its time, this particular example shows that a family sedan can also be a collectible treasure. Every component tells a story, from the factory-style suspension keeping the ride smooth to the American racing wheels giving a subtle nod to sportiness. It's a car that can handle modern roads while keeping its vintage soul intact. Now, let's talk about the interior experience once more. The combination of classic vinyl seating, clear gauges, and the original steering wheel gives you something modern cars often lack. Character, there's a sense of ownership that comes from knowing you're driving exactly what the engineers and designers intended in 1976. This isn't about gadgets or digital interfaces, it's about connecting with the car in its purest form. And the attention to detail doesn't stop at the driver's compartment. Look at the fully carpeted trunk. Not only is it functional, but it's a reflection of how this vehicle was treated over decades. Every corner, every seam, every inch of this car tells the story of meticulous care. It's rare to find a classic car that feels this alive yet remains so authentic. No over modifications, no compromises. Just a genuine 1976 Plymouth Volare, preserved with love. On the road, the Volare is serene yet capable. The power steering makes urban driving a breeze, and the power front disc brakes instill confidence during every stop. It's the kind of car you can drive daily or save for special occasions. Either way, it delivers. And the 318 V8 ensures that whether you're merging onto the freeway or navigating winding roads, you have enough torque and smoothness to enjoy every mile. What makes this car truly special is the harmony between performance, style, and authenticity. Many classic cars feel like relics, but this Volare feels like a living piece of history, one that's ready to be experienced, not just looked at. The stock appearance is a masterclass in restraint. The car doesn't need flashy badges or aftermarket parts to demand attention. Instead, its charm lies in originality, and that's something collectors and enthusiasts alike deeply respect. So, whether you're a Mopar aficionado, a lover of classic American sedans, or simply someone who appreciates cars with soul, this 1976 Plymouth Volare offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and authenticity. From the gleaming American racing wheels to the smooth, reliable 318 V8, every element has been carefully preserved to showcase the best of 1970s automotive craftsmanship. In the end, the Volare reminds us why classic cars matter, not just for their performance or rarity, but for the stories they tell, the eras they represent, and the pure, unfiltered joy of driving. It's a car that invites you to slow down, appreciate every detail, and connect with the timeless spirit of American motoring. So, if you're ready to experience the charm, comfort, and classic style of the 1976 Plymouth Volare, don't wait. This is your chance to own a piece of automotive history that's as authentic as it is exhilarating. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we've got plenty more incredible classics coming your way. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for cars alive.